Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how we can download and install Qt Creator. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, open your favorite browser. Here in Google, write down the Qt Creator, download and click enter. And here you can see the products. Click here Qt development tools. Now here you can see the download Qt. Click here. Now as you can see here on the right side of the desktop, you can see here go open source. Click here and now you can scroll down and here you can see the download the Qt online install. Click on it. Now you can see here the different platforms we have here. Windows, click here Windows and click Qt install for Windows. Now here you can see it's downloading. Now you can see the download is completed. Click here and click here run. Here it will ask you for the login credentials. If you don't have login credentials, you can sign up here, but right now I have a login credentials. I can log in here and enter the login credentials here. Here we have entered the login credentials. Now we can check these boxes. I have read the agreement, terms and conditions, and I am an individual, depends upon you. And now you can click here next and click next, and now it will fetch all the update information. Now here you can click here help us improve by enabling sending pseudonyms using statics. Now here you can click next, and this destination folder where it can be installed. All the file will be stored here. You can change that by using this, and you can check these boxes. First one is Qt Design Studio and second one is Qt 6.5 for desktop environment. Check this box as well, and now click next, and you have to read this terms and conditions for license agreement. Click here. If you are okay with that, you can click here, check this box and click next, and it's for a start menu where it can be displayed Qt. Click next, and now it's the time for installation. Click here install. It will start downloading all the files. It will take some time. It's 1.0.8 GB, so it will take some time. Now the download has been completed, you can see, and we can launch the Qt Creator and click finish. Here you can see the Qt Design Studio or Qt Creator. Click here to launch the Qt Creator. Click here continue. Now this is the Qt Creator welcome window, and now you can start the project which you want to create. Click here create project, and here you can choose the template as per your requirement. Suppose we need this application, widget application, and supported platform is desktop, and click here choose, and you can name project here, suppose my first project, and click here next. And here you can see the build system is CMake, or you can use this QMake, and click next. And these are all the class name, base class, header file, source file, forum file, and this is all about these basic information about the project. Now click here next, and the language you can choose here is English. Usually we choose United Kingdom English, and click here next, and now click next and click finish. Now this here code written, it's example. We can also run it and see whether it's working or not. It may have issues, but we can check. We can here see the build tab, and we can click here run, and it's building here. Now you can see it have generated the exe myproject.exe file. This is the main window. This is how the output is created, and this is how you can download and install Qt Creator, and you can build your programs and run program. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.